Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of not so much truck stuff. Well, I guess it is kind of truck stuff, but not wrenching on anything or nothing like that. We took Ruby to the car wash, got it all cleaned up. There's going to be some pictures made. My mom's a photographer, in case y'all didn't know. I got to get cleaned up so I can take some pictures. I don't know if y'all know what this means or not, but if you look here, there's two sets of tires, a jack. So there's going to be a big one laid somewhere across the border, but we're going to get some tire shine on, get all spruced up, and see what kind of pictures that we can't make out.
I'm trying to get that out of the way.
Alright guys, so the trip to Mexico is done, and I have successfully hurt the truck. Well, I don't know if you say hurt it or not, but anyways, as you saw before, the breather that was here, no longer there now. Blew the breather out, and there is oil everywhere. So we ran back to my house, got some parts, got a new oil cap, going to clean this thing up. Noticed that for some reason the power steering was a little stiff, so we're going to put some power steering fluid in it. Some reason the brakes got weak. I don't know why this thing's doing this all of a sudden. Probably because I was bouncing off a rev limiter or something. But anyways, we're going to put some brake fluid in it, get it all touched back up, and drive it back home hopefully. Alright guys, so we're back at the house. We just went and grabbed a bite to eat after we made the video. I know this video is probably not going to be very long at all, but we had to take some pictures from my senior year in high school. So we got that all took care of, and I wanted the most badass pictures that I could think of. So I tried to create them, and well, most of them turned out pretty well. But I actually did fix Ruby all back up after the little bit of a mess that we had made. But everything's all good on that end. And just another thing that I want to throw out there, like you see, I have a Valair hat on. Okay, if you see me wearing a hat with a brand on it, you see a sticker on my truck with a company, I use that company, okay? I'm not going to wear a hat that I don't use their stuff. If I don't like their stuff, it ain't going to be on my truck. If I don't use their stuff, it's not going to be on my truck. So it's just one of my pet peeves. If I use your stuff, it's going to be on my truck, okay? Except for I ain't got a fast fuel system sticker. I need one of those, but I do have a hat from them though. It's just one of my things. I just don't like seeing people that wear companies' clothes that don't even use their stuff, or putting stickers all over their truck and doesn't even use that company. But that's just my little bit of a ramble there. But anyways, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.